Hey guys, Claire, and today I'm going to be making a new video of my bird. Yay! Even though I made one yesterday. I've trained Ghost, if you didn't know. Hi. Step up. Oh, no biting though. you don't bite. It's step up, not bite. Come here. You gotta kind of get behind. Oh, that's not behind her. You gotta kind of get behind. You're running away. It's just the way that they run that makes you, oh. I'm in a really small room, so she can't get out, and it's our bathroom. It's our bathroom. I'm gonna get her. I have to climb up onto the counter to get her. Oh, I almost got her. Bird, you dumb. Oh. Gotcha. Oh no. I failed. I failed my task. Oh, guys, I'm gonna give up YouTube. Just kidding, no. Come on, bird. If I knew how to edit, that would be a prank, so. Ah, she's biting me. Ghost, you're a little brat. You're biting everything. Shut up. The other one. No bite. No bite. You bite me anyway? Why? Guys, I suck at videos. No! Oh my god, she's in the shower. Why are you showering? She's taking a shower. I'll have to get her this way then. I'll have to... Holy Jesus. I'll have to smack you out of the air or something, bird? Hello. Psych. Gotcha. I'm gonna give her a bird bath. If you guys haven't seen a bird take a bath, well, you get to see that now. Oh. Oh. Don't step in the soap. Ew. What? Bird? Oh, dang nabbit. Bird. I'll get her. I'll show you guys her taking a bath. I swear. Get in there. Get in the bath. It's the bath. Okay, you're good. You're clean. Oh, here, I'll get you out. I'll get you out. Oh, don't bite me. Ow, 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 Ghost. Don't bite me. Ow. That's hard. Dude, stop stepping in the flippin' soap. Stop it. That's called soap, not food. Yeah, I'm gonna dry her off now because she looks really wet. She does not look happy. Wet. Why are you wet? Boop. I am trying to set my camera up. There we go. I'm drying my little baby now. She's a little, I'm not squeezing her tight. I'm just kind of holding her. Kind of wiping it carefully. Aw, bird. You're biting the crap out of this towel. Look at me. Notice me, senpai. Hello. Oh my god. Oh my god, you look like a drowned rat and you smell bad because wet bird smell. I'm gonna smell you for soap because you stepped in the soap. Okay? I've improved a little bit on my video quality. Whoa, where are you going? Well, I'm gonna bring you guys and show you the other little brat. This is the other brat, and it's a mess in here. Bird. Is he in his cage yet? Where's the other one? There he is. McGee. Wait, what? McGee. Please. Dude, you've been literally out all day. You will not go back in your cage. I'm gonna say, dang it, bird. Land on your flipping cage. I'm gonna throw something at him to make him go to your cage. That worked. Get out of here, bird. Well, get down anyway. Yes, he's on his cage, guys. Okay. Now I'm gonna leave him alone so he can do his thing. Oh. What the frick, camera? Will that work? No? Well, I'm gonna end the video here, guys, because my camera's being a big, annoying piece of crap. I'm gonna switch it like crazy, though. Does that work? Well, I'm gonna end the video here because my camera's broken. Bye. Sideway, bye.